So it's a beautiful day in West Milford, New Jersey. We're in the Skylands. Hey everyone, it's Jesse with Ultratech, and I've been using the Sony ZV-E10 for a couple of weeks or months now. I also use the Rode Wireless Go-To mic, and I recently acquired, that's super loud, I recently acquired the Crane M3. The company that makes it is Zhiyun or something. Anyhow, I wanted to get some footage on how the Crane M3 performs with the Sony ZV-E10 and the Sigma 16mm lens. So when you balance it and you have the screen facing, it's in the normal position, it balances fine. But when you take out the screen to the right, like for when you're doing a selfie, you want to watch yourself, the balance gets thrown off. So earlier I was doing some tests with the balancing with the screen in the normal position, and it looked a bit shaky, so I didn't like the footage at all. So now I rebalanced it with the monitor being to the side, and I'm doing another test to see if that issue gets fixed. Right now I'm in follow mode, where if I tilt the gimbal down, it'll go down. If I tilt the gimbal up, it'll go down, or back up rather. If you press the button 2 times, it'll actually go back to the normal position. If you press it 3 times, it'll face the opposite way. 1, 2, 3. So I just pressed it 3 times now. I'm outside in my yard, but it's super wet out here. There's been snow for like a lot of weeks, and past few days it got warm finally, and the snow melted, so it makes the ground super wet. And this is a patio that we constructed last year. It's turned out pretty nice. It involved making a retaining wall and the paver patio. It's a lot of work, but we got it done. In that project I involved everyone, my wife, kids, brothers, nephews, everyone helped. My sister-in-law too. Okay, so let's see. So now my property has like a sloped hill. I'm gonna try like a quick run. I'm running. I also have the Rode Wireless with the wind muff, so I'm curious to see how it performs. It's super windy today. Super windy and super cold. So yeah guys, this is the Crane M3. Let me know what you think. I'll probably do a full review on it, but just wanted to show you some footage. I'm still walking around my house. Right now the yard's a mess. So if you see any mess, just ignore it. I've also dumbly been staring at the monitor instead of the actual lens, so it's probably going to look dumb. So again, I'm testing the Crane M3 with the Sony ZV-E10 and the 16mm Sigma lens. go, doing second lap around my house. I'm using no stabilization, no active steady shot, none of that. Well, see you guys.